Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom of Class 10, Geography Chapter 5, Minerals and Energy Resources. I hope all of you studied the previous chapters very well and you all performed well in your test paper. In this chapter, you will learn more about minerals and energy resources. We use different things in our daily life made of metals. Can you list a number of items in your house made of metals? Yes. Vehicles, home appliances, then utensils, etc. Let us recollect the content that we learned in our previous classes. You have studied that the Earth's crust is made up of different types of minerals embedded in the rocks. We extracted different types of metals from these minerals after proper refinement. Now, here one question. What is the mineral? Geologists define minerals as a homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure.
Now, look at the slide and study the definition of minerals. A mineral is a homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. They are found in varied forms in nature. Rocks are combinations of minerals. A particular mineral that formed from a certain combination of elements depends upon the physical and chemical conditions under which the material forms. Because of this, different minerals have different color, hardness, crystal forms, luster, and density.
So children, almost everything we use, from a tiny pin to a towering building or a big ship, all are made from minerals. Look here, this is a brush and a toothpaste. This brush and the tube containing this paste are made of plastics from petroleum.
You will be surprised to know how many different minerals you use in your everyday activities. For example, brushing your teeth. The toothpaste you use contains limestone, aluminum oxide, silica, and phosphate minerals for cleaning. Titanium oxide for its white color, fluoride to prevent cavities, and mica for sparkle. Other examples of minerals utilized in your daily life are tungsten in ballpoint tips, filaments in bulbs, nickel in rechargeable batteries, silver and argandite in photographic films, graphite in pencils. Remember that rocks themselves are not minerals. Rocks contains minerals mixed with organic materials. Here is a rock which contains a greenish material called cuprite, which is used to extract copper. Next topic is study of minerals by geographers and geologists. While the geographer is concerned about the distribution and the economic importance of the minerals, a geologist is most interested in the formation, their age, physical and chemical composition of minerals. For commercial purpose, we can classify minerals into metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals, and energy minerals. The metallic minerals can be further classified into ferrous mineral which contains iron and non-ferrous mineral which do not contain iron and precious minerals. For example, gold, silver, platinum, etc.
Next topic is mode of occurrence of minerals. Minerals are usually found in ores, and these ores comes from different types of rocks. You have studied that there are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks.
If we start looking for minerals in the Earth's crust, we will find some very interesting informations. Let's learn about the occurrence of minerals. Aluminium is found in and around 115 non-minerals, but only one of them, bauxite, is mainly used to extract aluminium. Where are these minerals found? Minerals are usually found in ores. Now look at the characteristics of an ore. First one, abundant availability. Then sufficient concentration. Last one, commercially viable process of extraction are called the ores of that element. Thus, bauxite is an ore of aluminium. In igneous and metamorphic rocks, minerals may occur in the cracks, crevices, folds, or joints. The smaller occurrences are called veins and the larger are called lodes. Major metallic minerals like tin, copper, zinc, and lead, etc., are obtained from these veins and lodes. In sedimentary rocks, a number of minerals occur in beds or layers. They have been formed as a result of deposition, accumulation, and concentration in horizontal strata. Coal and some forms of iron ore have been concentrated as a result of long periods under great heat and pressure. Another group of sedimentary minerals include gypsum, potash salt, and sodium salt. These are formed as a result of evaporation, especially in arid regions. Another mode of formation involves the decomposition of surface rocks and the removal of soluble constituents, leaving a residual mass of weathered material containing ores. Bauxite is formed this way. As you know, around 70% of the earth is covered by water. The ocean water contain vast quantities of minerals, but most of these are too widely diffused to be of economic significance. However, common salt, magnesium, and bromine are largely derived from ocean waters. The ocean beds too are rich in manganese nodules. Children, study well the mode of occurrence of minerals. In short, minerals are usually found in ores. Minerals generally occurs in these forms. In igneous rocks, they occur as cracks, crevices, folds, or joints. Smaller occurrences are called veins and larger ones are called lodes. In sedimentary rocks, minerals occur as beds or layers. Another mode of formation is when only mass of weathered material containing ores remain. Some minerals occur as alluvial deposits in sands of valley floors and hill bases. Ocean water and ocean beds also contain minerals. Minerals are natural resources and their distribution in the earth's crust is not uniform. India is fortunate to have fairly rich and varied mineral resources. However, these are unevenly distributed. The peninsular region with parts of Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Orissa supplies metallic and non-metallic minerals and also coal. The coastal regions and parts of Assam and Gujarat have most of our
petroleum deposits. The place is from where the mineral ores are extracted, called mines. Mining is done through large excavations on the surface. In the tribal areas of the northeast India, minerals are owned by individuals or communities. In Meghalaya, there are large deposits of coal, iron ore, limestone, and dolomite, etc. Coal mining in Jawai and Cherrapunji is done by family member in the form of a long, narrow tunnel known as rat hole mining. This is the picture of rat hole mining. Let us conclude today's session by recollecting all the concepts. What do you mean by minerals? Minerals are homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. These minerals usually found in ores, and these ores comes from different types of rocks. Do you know? Life processes cannot occur without minerals. I hope all of you understood the concepts clearly. Children, read your textbook very well. Please note that the corresponding URLs, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this video. Make use of all these available resources, study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.